Over here we have your very spacious living area. First on this side we have your kitchen space. And this over here is the space of your master bedroom. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Esto Arcus by Esto Group located in Andheri West. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the actual land parcel. You can also have a look at the neighborhood of the project. Also, you can see the road to the right will connect you to the main road. We will be getting into all details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And this over here is the actual land parcel of the project where you can see the construction has already started. Now talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 0.35 acre that will have one tower of 2 basement, ground plus 21 floors, having 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 3.5 BHK and jewelry options available. And now speaking of amenities, this project has 15 plus amenities with swimming pool, gym, yoga deck, multi-purpose turf, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. And now talking about location and connectivity, this project is located at SVP Nagar, Andheri West, from where you have Lower Oshiwara metro station at a distance of 1 kilometer, Versova metro station at a distance of 1 kilometer, also DN Nagar metro station at a distance of 1 kilometer from the project. Western Express Highway is at a distance of 6 kilometers, Andheri railway station is at a distance of 4.8 kilometers, and you have Kokla Pen Hospital at a distance of 800 meters from the project. And to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now let's have a look at the sample flat. And now we are entering the 2 BHK of the residential project Esto Arcus. This 2 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 798 square feet. As we enter, you can see this over here is a beautiful and spacious dining corner where you can easily place a 6 to 8 people dining table and enjoy mealtime with your family. Over here we have your very spacious living area where you can easily place a sofa, center table and customize your TV unit. Also attached to your living, you will be getting full French windows with a very spacious balcony attached. You can see how spacious your balcony is. You can easily place your tea tables, tea chairs or your swings and enjoy the views with your friends and family. Also, you can have a look. Your living and dining area is very spacious, so you can easily address gatherings of 10 to 12 people at the very same time. Also, you will be getting vitrified tiles in the whole flat. Moving forward, this over here is your alley area that has entrance to your bedrooms and kitchen. First, on this side, we have your kitchen space where you will be getting 2 parallel platforms along with the stainless steel sink. You can see how spacious your kitchen is. You can customize your lower and your upper cabinets in the kitchen. You have space provided to place your refrigerator, and attached to your kitchen, you have a dryer space provided that is very spacious where you can place your washing machine. And now, right opposite to your kitchen is your first bedroom. As we enter, You can see this over here is the space of your first bedroom where you can easily place a king or queen size bed along with your side tables. You can see you have walkable space even after placing your furniture. And you can also have a look, you have wardrobe space provided, that is niche wardrobe space that gives your bedroom a bigger look. And you will be getting full French windows in this bedroom. Also, this bedroom comes with a private washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And now let me tell you what does Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now let's move to the master bedroom of this 2 BHK. Right beside your first bedroom is the entrance of your master bedroom. You can see you have a foyer area at the entrance. Also, you can have a look right near the entrance is the entrance of a private washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And this over here is the space of your master bedroom that you can see is very spacious. You can easily place your king size bed along with your side tables. You can see you have plenty of walkable space even after placing all your furniture. This over here would be your wardrobe space that is very spacious. You can also build lofts if you wish to. Also, you can have a look at this corner. You can customize a beautiful seating corner if you wish to. And again, you will be getting full French windows provided in your master bedroom. And this was a 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Esto Arcis. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, you have been watching our videos for so long now. How do you like our videos and what changes should we make according to you? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat videos. So everyone, this was a 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Esto Arcis by Esto Group located in Andheri West.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.